Good morning, Canes. Welcome back to Canes Vision, your source for all things Cartersville High. I'm Mary Margaret.
And I'm Ella Grace. We're here to bring you the latest news, stories, and highlights from around campus, all powered by our unstoppable hurricane spirit.
We've got a packed show today, from a teacher spotlight and student interviews to sports, creative projects, and even a few surprises.
Now let's switch gears and see what our fellow Canes have to say out and about around campus. It's time for Man on the Street.
Who am I here with today?
My name's Corey.
Okay, and what are you going to be for Halloween?
So me and my homegirl, we decided to do the Coraline and YB type deal for Halloween. So that's what I would be, the YB.
That's cool.
Who am I here with?
Lucas.
And what are you gonna be for Halloween?
I'm gonna be Deadpool.
Ooh, nice. And who am I here with?
James.
And who are you gonna be for Halloween?
Lil Baby.
Ooh, nice.
Who am I here with today?
Tykeem Andrews.
Okay, what are you going to be for Halloween?
A carrot.
Okay, thank you.
Who am I here with?
Luke.
And what are you gonna be for Halloween?
I'm gonna be Emu from the commercials.
Nice.
Who am I here with today?
Davian.
And what are you going to be for Halloween?
A 6-foot inflatable Kool-Aid man.
Okay, thank you.
Who am I here with?
Hi, Jay.
And what are you gonna be for Halloween?
A demon.
Nice.
Now let's look at what the weather's doing this weekend.
Let's both hold it. Hey everyone, it's Kendall here with your weekend weather update.
And I'm Katie Grace, ready to break down what you can expect the next few days.
Let's kick things off with Friday. It's looking beautiful. Sunshine all day with a high of 69 degrees, so definitely a great day for any outdoor plans.
Yep, and Saturday keeps the good vibes going with partly cloudy skies with highs near 70 degrees. Perfect for football games, pumpkin patches, or just hanging out with your friends.
But keep those umbrellas handy because Sunday might wash out your plans a bit.
That's right. Rain chances go up to 65% and temperatures cool off to the low 60s. So it's the perfect excuse to stay in, relax, and catch up on some homework or Netflix.
Overall, a warm start to the weekend with a cozy, rainy finish.
That's your weekend weather update.
Stay dry, stay cozy, and have a great weekend, Hurricanes. Go Canes!
It's always good to know what kind of weather to expect over the weekend.
Speaking of creative energy, our next piece is something special.
Hey Hurricanes!
Welcome back. Today we're going to be making your favorite fall treats, cupcakes.
Okay, so we have these funfetti cupcakes, and then we have our chocolate sprinkles, candy corn, and white frosting and orange frosting. So let's get cooking. Good looking.
Okay, our first step is to take your frosting and cover your cupcake.
He did the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. He did the mash.
Our next step is adding candy corn.
It caught on in a flash. He did the mash. He did the monster mash from my laboratory.
Okay, now we're going to do the rest of our cupcakes to hand them out to you all.
They played the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
They played the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
They played the mash.
They played them on.
We just finished decorating the cupcakes. Now we're going to go surprise you all with them.
I don't think you can fit in there. Will you try a cupcake?
Guys, what the heck?
They played the monster mash. Out from his coffin, Rex roasted.
It's an 8.
Now! Oh! Jesus, trouble by just one thing. Open the lid.
Like a 9 out of 10?
So the shoes are gone.
Who's ready for some cupcake?
You want a cupcake?
I love cupcakes. Thanks. Pretty good.
I'm gonna give this cupcake a 5. It's really shallow. Like they didn't put enough of the mix in the liner. I mean, obviously it's not like bakery level. It's from a mix from the store. So I think just a 5.
I chose this cupcake because it was less melted than the other one.
I'll take it.
I'll give it 8 out of 10. Would y'all be scared if a hurricane walked up to you right now?
Who wants cupcake?
And shook his fist and said, whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?
It's now the mash.
Now the mon-
10. 8. A 10. A 10. Ah!
Eat it.
It's a little soggy.
Monster Man.
That was your fall tutorial on how to make your cute little fall treats. Go Canes!
That was awesome. We've got some seriously talented students here at Cartersville High.
Now let's move from creativity to competition with our sports update.
Hey Hurricanes, I'm Audrey and I'm here with your weekly sports update. On Monday, the Lady Canes softball team won both games in the 4A Sweet 16 playoff series. Presley Crabb and Zoe Shiflett were key players for the outstanding win. They will go on to compete in the double elimination Elite 8 next Wednesday, the 29th. Congratulations! Tuesday, volleyball competed in the second round of the state tournament, winning to go on to the Final Four. And last but not least, the football team beat Cedartown with an impressive 52-0 victory. They play an away game against Hiram tonight. Way to go, Canes!
Love seeing our team showing off that hurricane power on and off the field.
Absolutely. But it's not just about wins, it's about kindness too. Let's check out this week's random acts of kindness. Big shout out to everyone spreading positivity around school. Small acts, big impact.
And now, something that always brings out our students' competitive side, the pumpkin carving challenge.
Hey guys, I'm Scout.
And I'm Kendall.
And today we're carving a pumpkin in 15 minutes.
So we have a cup with 4 numbers in it, and those are the different options. So first Scout is going to pick one out. Number 2. So she gets second pumpkin.
Big hands. Big hands. Big hands.
What?
I got number 1, so I get the first pumpkin.
It's looking stressful already. Kendall might have to help. Kendall, you're doing great, and Scout, you got a lot to work on. Ew!
Watch this.
Oh no, she didn't. Oh yes, she did.
Okay, that's good. We have baggies. We have baggies. We have baggies. This is for putting the guts in. Here you go, Scout.
Okay, the pumpkins are gutted.
Yeah, now it's time to draw on our designs.
And start carving. Timer starts now.
It's going.
Can I have that? that.
Ew, that's gross. It went in my eye.
Hard work, that's what they say.
I just had to run upstairs,
Bruh, look at this dude.
When I done?
and that's kind of creepy already.
You're creepy.
Burn. How you
I'm about to
feeling?
start stabbing this pumpkin to death.
How you feeling?
Listen to this, ready?
Just the road.
Oh my god.
Guts out.
Pray ASMR.
Okay.
So now we're gonna put lights in them and then see who goes in the pool.
Began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the monster mash.
Looks like our Canes know how to get creative and a little messy.
Great work, everyone. Those pumpkins were definitely cane worthy.
Now, as promised, time to relive the highlights from last Friday night's game.
I could so do that.
Yeah. Say, hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
the Canes keep bringing the heat every week.
Now not everyone's parking skills were championship level this week. It's time for bad parking.
I'm Parker.
I'm Francesca.
And today we're doing bad parking. Okay, first up, we have this.
This Ford right here?
Whose car is this? Because you suck at parking, bro.
Like,
wait. I know you felt that.
This isn't even a spot.
Oh god.
This isn't even.
Oh my god. Whose car is this? And they have a parking pass and everything. Okay, so as you can see, the line is right here. You have a big spot, and you're still crooked in the spot.
Yeah, I don't understand how you did that.
I don't do better. Do better.
Backup camera?
Camera. Yeah.
Backup camera.
No excuse. You suck.
No excuse.
Whoever this is, your truck isn't that big. You don't need to park right here. Park in the spot. Like, what are you doing?
Your spot is 60. You should not be over here.
You should be right here. But you're not. You're in 2. So, buddy, scoot a little bit over next time you park. Your truck is not that big.
Thank you.
Okay, so don't know whose truck this is, but you suck. Yeah, again, your truck is not that big, so like you can really just park in your spot if you want to, but I guess you just want to be different and go in the grass, and yeah, do that. All right, Miley, I don't even know what to say to you right now. Hey, so we have like, what is this? How many feet do we think this is? Like 3? I don't even know, but you could have just like, you didn't have to back up that far. Just stay on the road. I don't know what to tell you.
Now to wrap up today's show, we're finishing with something unpredictable, the Trick or Treat Bean Boozled Challenge.
My name is Litzy. And I'm Stacy. And today we're going to be taste testing Halloween candy while parked. I'm not driving, y'all. Yeah, we're not driving. Or, you know? Okay. But, it's too much chocolate. I remember these. Look, it's these things. These are like OG. 10 out of 10. Reese's were like 6-7 out of 10. Okay, we're gonna try these vampire bloods. I want one. Oh, thank you. Alright, y'all, we have candy corn now. I'm at a red light, by the way.
These are so good.
7 out of 10. 8. One more. Their eyeballs. It's like the big ones that you get. Yeah, the pink one. The Hubba Bubba. The Hubba Bubba. I was gonna say Boo Boo Boo. Okay, so let's rate all of them. So, candy sticks. Just sugar. Pure sugar. That's like a 7 out of 10. 6 out of 10. I don't know. It almost broke my bracket off. They're OGs, but it's pure sugar, bro. Like, there's nothing else. So I give this, I give it a 7 or 6. 6. Okay, Reese's. It was too chocolatey for me. I give it like a 4. Candy corn? 8. Candy corn, I give it a... I give it like 7. Like 7 or 8. The vampire teeth? Bro, the liquid is good. The blood? I rate it a... I wish the teeth were bigger. Yeah. Or edible. Yeah. I rated it like a 7. Because the thing was looking good. The blood. I rated it a 6. Because... it's just liquid. It's edible. Their eyeball gum? They're good. That's a 6 because they scammed me. Oh yeah. The eyeball isn't even on the actual gum. It's just a white ball. It's just a white gum ball. But it's good. It reminds me of the Hubba Bubba. Hubba Bubba. Yeah. And then I rate the gift basket a 10 out of 10. By yours truly. Litzy drives. And then starring Stacy Contreras. All right, y'all. Tune in next week. Disclaimer: this is fake. Don't try this at home. Don't talk and drive and text and drive. Bye.
That's one challenge that definitely separates the brave from the lucky. Thanks for watching, Canes.
Make sure to tune in next week for more stories, highlights, and moments that make Cartersville High School the best school around.
Go Canes!
6-7. I just bit right on the highway. I just bit right on the highway. Track hawking sitting in the drive.
Everyone strong shoot.
Okay, so we're back. And
Play batteries.
Shoot!
I hold my weight.
Horses don't stop, they keep going.
Won't you take me home? I wanna ride it. I don't wanna know. Ride it, just lose control. Ride it, my soul. Ride it, make me feel you. Ride it, feeling like
I don't know.
Everybody knows who John Stamos is.
Who is John Stamos? I told you, I only know like.
He's the sexiest man in the world.
Nice to meet you, son. Put on a tie. Nice to meet you, sir. No.
60 seconds. Is there like seconds going?